This is a PowerPoint presentation to launch a robust and cost-effective new method to protect your tires and save all headaches coming from air leakages. We will try to explain in short what is best, how it operates, and the benefits that the client should expect. Then, we will analyze the market and our marketing policy. Best is a thixotropic and colloidal resin containing rubber crumbs and microfibers. We produce the resin using our own secret formula and mix in it vulcanized rubber and very fine and strong fibers. Thixotropic means that the viscosity of the final product lowers down as centrifugal forces increase, and colloidal means that the resin becomes better glue as the temperature increases. The above values make this unique product very efficient in working conditions. Best is to be used in a tire as a prevention of any pressure leakage. It is friendly to human and environment, not toxic, it is water soluble, stable, does not break down, and it does not freeze or boil in functioning conditions. After injecting Best into the tire, let the wheel turn so that the product can be spread all over the internal surface. As air is trying to escape from any possible hole or pore, it pushes the chemical into the hole and fills the gap with solid pieces. The resin joins all pieces together and creates a stable and permanent patch. There is no need for further repair. It is very important that the patch is made out of the same material as the tire, because both the tire and the patch have the same rate of wear. Please note that the rubber crumbs seal bigger holes and fibrous create stronger patches. The combination of both materials in big quantities makes our product unique in the market. The benefits of automatic creation of patches are obvious. Safety and comfort are secured, and there are direct savings. Machines usually work in a convoy. If one stops, the whole operation delays. Machines are very expensive equipment. Best helps to keep it working. Downtimes is the biggest non-predictable expense in a machine's operation. Very often, there are leakages of pressure between the rim and the tire bead. Especially in big machines, rims are assembled with metal rings and tire is sealed with an O-ring. Most of the times, rims are rusted and may be a bit damaged. This causes leakages. Also, low-cost tires are full of pores, as rubber is a porous material by its nature, so air is leaking again. In both damages described above, the operator of the machine has to reinflate his tires every 3-4 days. The problem is that between two pressure reinflations, the tire operates without the recommended air pressure. Therefore, it is gradually destroyed. Best will repair all these damages. Just inject the product into the tire and let the machine work. Keeping the pressure at the recommended level, we prolong the lifetime of the tire, reduce fuel consumption, reduce maintenance costs, and reduce emissions. In the table below you can see that a 30% underinflation could reduce the lifetime of the tire in half and increase fuel consumption by 8%. By using Best, you can save tire manufacturing deficiencies, save rim assembling problems, and save further expansion of damages. Please note that the leakages of air will be sealed automatically, but maybe not instantly. The resin of Best will continuously coat the wood and any other pores of the rubber and will seal them immediately after the product has entered the wound. Sharp point objects, as they are entering the tire, destroy the rubber mass but do not break the metal belts. Therefore, the tire retains its original strength. Best is rubber in liquid form. It will cure rubber using rubber. It will never restore the original strength of the tire if the metal armor is damaged. Rubber cannot cure steel bars. According to the previous very important note, if you remove these very big objects from your tires, Best will not seal the damage, as extensive zones of the metal armory are broken. Just leave the objects in and move your machine to the repair shop. Best will help the tire retain its pressure as long as the penetrating object is stuck in the rubber mass. The product will stop and prohibit any internal layer separation. It will also protect all metal parts of the wheel from rust and will also protect the casing and the retread. As a result, tire lifetime is prolonged and healthy casing permits to be retreaded. According to the simulation below, a wheel loaded by 300 kilograms spins at 120 kilometers per hour. The ambient temperature was 20 degrees Celsius. After 15 minutes run, the temperature of the rubber mass increased up to 60 degrees Celsius. As you can see, the maximum heat increase occurs in the middle of the sidewall. Using BEST, you protect your tires from thermal strength. As you can see in this infrared picture, the tire nearby the cross equipped with BEST has much lower temperature than the other wheels. In infrared pictures, the hotter the brighter. Please also note the diagrams showing how lifetime of a tire is affected by temperature, pressure, load and speed. BEST will also enforce balancing of the wheels as centrifugal forces are keeping the product evenly distributed all over the internal surface of the tire. Some vibration problems have been noticed only in small and powerful vehicles if they accelerate fast or if their suspension system is not in good condition. The market is practically unlimited. BEST will operate perfectly in any tubeless tire. In tubes, the client should expect limited results as tubes have thin layers of rubber and low strength. Our target group is the big tires as they are very expensive, sometimes rare to find, and they need big volumes of product. Here are some pictures from our international activities. Our marketing target is to create a network of exclusive distributors in every country of the world. If in a country you do not have a distributor, we certainly sell directly to end users. As soon as we have an exclusivity agreement, we pass all leads to our distributors. In order to achieve the above, we participate in business missions and commercial exhibitions. As a result of this marketing policy, BEST is currently in the markets of Greece, Cyprus, United Kingdom, Ireland, France, Belgium, United States of America, Canada, United Arab Emirates, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Pakistan, China, Sudan, and Kenya. Some happy moments with our international clients. Thank you very much for your interest in our product, and please find contact details in our website www.best.com.gr.